Hello, and welcome to this tutorial in the VertexFX terminal. Today, we're going to dive into the parabolic SAR indicator, what it is and how to apply it effectively. First, let's explore how to set up the parabolic SAR indicator. Begin by navigating to the Technical Analysis section. Inside the Technical Analysis menu, you'll find Parabolic SAR. Select it. Now, you have the option to customize the appearance of the parabolic SAR indicator, including its color. Once you're satisfied with your preferences, click Apply and then OK. As you can see, dots have now appeared on your charts. These dots are a representation of the parabolic SAR indicator, which acts like a trailing stop mechanism. When the market trend moves from bottom to top, these dots will appear below the price candle, and they'll start moving upwards. And when the market trend changes from top to bottom, the dots will shift from being below the candle to above it. Pay attention to the market's direction. When it's moving upwards, the dots trail below the candle. As the market transitions from bearish to bullish, the dots flip above the candle. This behavior remains consistent across various time frames. Whether you're looking at a 5-minute or 15-minute chart, the parabolic SAR indicator operates the same way. And there you have it, an introduction to parabolic SAR and how it helps in recognizing market trends. Remember, this indicator can be a valuable tool in your trading. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.